In this short and basic video, today I will show how to enable subtitles in VLC media player. Open VLC media player. Here, click on Tools. Then click on Preferences. Also guys, you can use Ctrl+P. Select Subtitles and on-screen display settings. Here, if you need to enable and turn on, so check this box. You can change default encoding as your need and requirement. There are some more options. Subtitle effects like font, font size, text default color, outline thickness. There are some more options like add a shadow. If you need, so add a background. Force subtitle position. Then click on save it. Now close it and reopen your VLC media player. So this is the way you can enable and customize subtitles in VLC media player. Thanks for watching.